This is my very last video. That's it. I'm retiring. For you who don't know me, I'm Konstantinos, also known as Simply Digital, and for the last 7 years, I have created more than 3,000 videos online that took me from 0 to 4 million followers on all social media. Video has been the #1 driver for anything I did. Building a 7-figure business, multiple revenue streams, being well known in the digital marketing industry, and having so many monetization opportunities. But creating content is not a game. It's not a walk in the park. It's tough. Especially today that competition is going bananas. And it can be super draining. People burn out and they quit. I have tried previously to automate the process of my content because it's tiring. I cannot be always here in front of the camera shooting videos. I had never found an AI tool that is so good that people cannot really tell if it's me or AI. So this is the very last video that you're gonna see because I finally found a model that just got released and it really blew my mind away. I cannot really tell myself if it's me or AI. So most of you know HeyGen already. It's leading the way in cloning, in creating human-like avatars, but they have just released the Avatar 4 engine, which is really the closest thing you have ever seen to a human. So we're gonna be testing the model together. I'm gonna clone myself, create content, short form and long form for Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, and see how I can quit today and go to Bahamas for vacations. So HeyGen has just released the version 4. So let's talk about the tech of HeyGen. The core of this, the HeyGen Digital Twin, makes realism easier than ever. And all you need is either a small sample of you or even a photo. And I'll show you both generations. So you can get started for free, click here. So cloning myself was very easy. You have the avatar option right here. You will select the digital twin, where HeyGen will ask you to upload a small sample in a natural look. But what sets this avatar apart is the realism. We're not talking about these jerky deepfake style videos because it really replicates the micro expressions in the eyes, the subtle, imperfect human details that no other AI could replicate so far. So let's see. I have uploaded my sample. You're gonna see the checks here about the video quality, the audio quality. You need to make sure that it's at least 1080 pixels in order to be as close to you as possible. You submit it, and then you're ready to start creating content with your background, with your look, or change looks whenever you want. Let's see it in action. So let's see how the platform works exactly after you create your avatars. I have already created several looks of me, both with my video sample, which is actually the most accurate one, and you can see here different looks. So let's see 2 examples and let me know what you think. Is it AI or not? This is my very last video. Yeah, that's it. After 3,000 plus videos, this is the only video of me that you will ever see again. And that's all because of this new AI tool that I'm gonna show you. This is my very last video. Yeah, that's it. After 3,000 plus videos, this is the only video of me that you will ever see again. And check this one as well. This is my very last video. Yeah, that's it. After 3,000 plus videos, this is the only video of me that you will ever see again. So yes, both of them were AI, and I created them out of a single photo and from my video sample that we created before together, right? You can see here different avatars. You can create as many as you want, both from photo references, like these ones that you see here, that you see right here, from your video sample and keep the exact same background, or change backgrounds like I did here to add a more futuristic, more AI-oriented look, right? Especially in my niche, the AI/tech industry, this is a must. So after you create several looks, and you can do that as many times as you want, you have your dashboard exactly like you have with any AI platform, and you can ask it to generate a short form or long form video using any reference avatar that you have created, right? So for example, I want to create something with this one. And you can either add your own script, upload your own voiceover, or just ask it for a specific topic, and HeyGen would create the video with your photo avatar. Let's try it out. Create a professional video with 5 tips about content creation in 2026. I'll hit generate and let's see what we're gonna get. And here's the video, let's see it together. Let's watch it. Content creators. 5 tips for 2026 success. First, embrace AI tools. Keep the human touch. Next, prioritize authenticity and human connection. Focus on short and long-form video content. Build communities and engage your audience. So you see, apart from my reference video that got animated with my voice, we have also B-rolls, AI-generated parts for the video for some explanation. You have subtitles. Optimize for AI search and conversations. Adapt and learn continuously in 2026. So this is just an example, and you can keep editing the video by just asking to improve or change or add whatever you want, like add a scene where the avatar talks about Facebook opportunity that is exploding in 2026, right? And this will start creating the new version of your video with the changes that you asked. And as you see, the change has been made, the Facebook part has been added, and you can do that with anything you want. You can keep editing your video with just a prompt that makes it so easy. And the great part is that you can edit anything you want within AI Studio, so you can give it a more custom look. This is exactly how it looks. You can change your avatar background in the current video if you don't like how you look, right? You can change the layout and have a circle of yourself, adding something different here. You can customize every scene and every single phrase of your video, change the scenes, change different voices, add different people, change the format from portrait to landscape, exactly like you would do on Canva with your photos and your creations, right? You can find all your recent creations here, and you can be super creative in terms of what you're gonna do. This is something that fits to me, to my content, right? Cloning myself in a way like this fits what I do as a content creator. I'm a tech educator, so I want to be in front of a high-tech background and teach people. Add recordings, showcase different websites, different tips about digital marketing, etc. Depending on what niche you're into, you can use more the photo to video creation. And you can create different kind of looks and even turn drawings into videos, cartoons into videos. The options are endless, and this can also supercharge your creativity to do even more than what you would do in front of your camera yourself. So I'll be giving a try for the next month to automate my content. Shoot with Agent Digital Twin with Avatar 4, see how it goes, send them to my team to edit, post them and see how it goes. If people are gonna realize that it's me, that it's not me, and it's AI. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it, if you're gonna give it a try. You can do that from the link in my description. You can start for free. And until next time, simply hustle.